What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and I have another product review for you. In today's product review, what we're going to take a look at is this folding, collapsible, lightweight camp table. Alright, so I have no way am I going to be able to pronounce the name of that sucker, but I will leave the link in the description box. Alright, as you can see, I'm here at my base camp. I have a smudge pot going, small campfire here to the left, setting out here around camp. And you know, sometimes while you're at camp, it's nice to have something easy to set up as a table to be able to prepare your food, your meat, your drinks, whatever it may be. So this is a great option for that. Comes in a waterproof bag, all right, and open it up. There's the legs. Everything folds, extremely lightweight, has rubber padded feet. All right, and you just pull it open. Then you have these two bars that flip over, one on each side, and that also helps you get your distance that you're supposed to be. All right, flip that. See how we got that? Simple enough. Set that off to your side. And here is the tabletop. Feels like it's made out of like a hard ABS type plastic. Has these elastic cords around the end that holds everything tight. Boom, folds open. All right, has these two little grooves, runs all the way down that inside, that snaps onto those same bars that you just put on the top. Goes right into that groove that those bars are on. All right, it just snaps in place. Oh, no, I'm wrong. Snaps opposite of the two bars. My bad. All right, and we have ourselves a very lightweight table to prepare stuff on. All right, so it's not very high. You're looking at maybe 13 inches, I believe it is. You're 55-pound weight. So say you want to, like for myself, I'm going to be cooking up some cowboy coffee here in a little bit, using this pot from the kettle from Uberleben. I'm going to be getting that taken care of, make some cowboy coffee using this little table here. 55 pounds, lightweight carry-in. I believe it's at 2 pounds when it comes to what you're carrying, the tabletop and the legs. Which, you know, for some people that are going ultralight, they may not want that sort of thing, but maybe for, say, we'll say a bushcrafter, or you know, somewhere in between that bushcrafting and using modern equipment as we tend to do in bushcraft, something lightweight like this, you know, on a 3-4 mile hike into camp, or say for your hunter's camp or trapper camp, whatever, this is a nice little lightweight, durable option. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box for this product. They did send this to me to check out and try. I have set it up, taken it down a couple of times. Seems to do what it's supposed to do. Hold your stuff, can hold up to 55 pounds. You got lightweight, you know, 2 pounds isn't much for having a little table. And you know, all in all, good construction, good product. Rubber feet hold it where it's supposed to. You know, may be an ideal product for you. So if that's the case, I'm going to leave that link in the description box, and you can pick one up for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.